I'm super excited about the sign. It came out perfectly, don't you agree? Let me show you how I did it. I wanted to make this sign a little bit smaller than the previous sign that I made, which was the Be Still and Know That I Am God sign. So I measured 35 centimeter diameter. This is you seeing me put the circle at 35 centimeters. And then I typed in my verse. And after that, I looked for a font that I thought would look nice on the artwork. Quite a lot to do, wasn't there? But anyways, that's the long and short of it. Just combining two colors that work well together. The base of it is blue acrylic and the text is silver acrylic. That's it. That's all I did. Let's go to laser. I believe you're used to the technique by now. We start off by kiss cutting the acrylic to make it easier when gluing the pieces together. And then after that, we just cut around the acrylic and we're good to go. Then the next stage is to cut our silver acrylic, and you'll notice that on the silver acrylic I grouped the letters together as much as I possibly could. This is just to save material because I'll be gluing the letters on individually on top of the kiss cut acrylic. I have used spray adhesive before on a separate project and it worked well. So I decided, since I have quite a lot of small letters to glue onto my acrylic, let me try and use spray adhesive again. So I started off by weeding the areas that I'm going to glue together first. After I was done weeding, I then sprayed my material. And I also sprayed the silver acrylic as well, because the instructions on the bottle say if it's going to stick strongly, I need to spray both materials on either side, wait about a minute or two, and then I glue them together. This time around, I decided that I would weed as I stuck my pieces together to make it easier, so as to avoid any lifting, because I think the glue needs a little bit more time to set. So this is what you see me do here. After that, the sign is done and we're good to go. Thank you once again, guys, for sticking by. Again, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking, and hitting that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And thank you for sticking by. I will see you next time. Bye bye.